Hello everyone, I am Indra Kaur. Welcome to my channel Preeta Pitara. Now we are going to make Gond tribal art. First we will learn about its origin. Gond painting is forgotten art form nowadays like Madhubani painting, Valli art and wood artwork. It is tribal art form of Central India, Madhya Pradesh. It is practiced by mostly Gondi tribes. They live in Madhya Pradesh, Chatisgarh, Odisa or Andhra Pradesh within related tribes. They mainly comes from Madhya Pradesh. Kond were derived from Davidian words kond, which means mountains. J.swami highlighted this art form in 1980, which is known as Gond tribal art form. In older days, Gond art mostly was practiced on walls and huts with the help of wood, vibrant colors, and also used patterns like fish scale pattern, dots and dashes. But nowadays, they practice on all the possible sources. Kond art painting mainly reflects god or goddesses, human beings, nature, beauty of village or villages with the help of simple figures. After learning about its origin, let's begin. You can trace the drawing or can draw it. I am drawing it freehand. Trees are an important symbol in Gond painting as lives of human beings and trees are intertwined and cannot be separated. This drawing shows the beauty of nature, its relaxed, cool, friendly environment between human beings, birds and animals. Gond art is always filled with vibrant colors like red, yellow, green, blue, orange. That is what I am doing here, filling the vibrant colors. Once the figures are filled with colors, draw double line or draw single line to create a sections. Now this is very important part, creating sections. After creating sections, fill the motif with dot, dashes or through fish scale patterns. In this art form, it is totally up to you that what you want to do, what type of pattern you want to make, but enjoy the process. In this art form, background is always left as without filling any patterns in it, sometimes in a plain white or sometimes in a vibrant colors. I have made 2 more Gond tribal art paintings for my gallery decor. Take a look for 3 ways to decor your gallery. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below how did you find this video. Thanks for watching.